Habitació de convidats, traduït per Stephen Shaw. Voldria que casa meva fos prou gran per tenir-hi habitació de convidats. 1 o 2, 3 millor. 5 habitacions de convidats, o el doble, 10. 10. Que tota ella fos casa de convidats. Una casa on poder tenir una habitació per a mi sola, una sola habitació prou gran perquè tots els convidats poguessin entrar-hi alhora i viure, si ho volien, com si fos en una casa.
Guest room, translated by Stephen Shaw. I would like my house to be big enough to have a guest room. 1 or 2, better 3. 5 guest rooms, or twice that. 10. That all of it were a house of guest rooms. A house where I could have one room for me alone. Only one room big enough that all the guests could enter it at the same time and live there, if they so wanted, as if it were in a house.